Evan. I'm doing the computer technology project 1, video 1, and my project title is open source and wiki system. So what is wiki? Wiki is a web-based publication that allows its contents to be accessed thoroughly by its own audience directly. Use a web browser. A typical wiki contains multiple pages for the subjects or scope for the project, and it could be either open to a public or limited to use within an organization. When we use the wiki, for example, in the uni, the instruction and the student can use it to maintain the collection of links that can post, comment, group, and classify links relevant to the course. The importance of wiki is free and convenience, and also is offer content access all the time. This is my 5 pillars principles, which is free and is a neutral point of view that respect to each other, and anyone can use, edit, and distribute, and editors can treat each other with respect and no discriminate. The policy and the guideline page should be clear, maintain the scope, and avoid the redundancy, and also avoid the overlinking. How does it do? It's actually the data. This is a database server, right? And this is the web server, and this is a web interface. And for example, the user access the web interface, and whenever they upload the video and files, is go into the database server, and then when they want to download from it, they need to access it from the web server. And I use Apache as a web server, and the PHP myadmin as a my database, my SQL database server. This is my general architecture from that which is got 4 layers, which user, network, logic, and data layer. Which you can see, the PHP is my server-side programming language, and JavaScript is my client-side programming language. This is my existing technology and architecture I use, the software, which is the Apache, and the MySQL as my database. And in my media wiki, the main technology and feature I use is for the data transfer. So data transfer allow user to both export and import to the wiki, and I use the HTML as body, and it describes, identifies, and tells the browser what to display. And also for the CSS, it gives the style and structure to the content, and it links the CSS file to the HTML and tells the browser how to display. So yeah, so for the JavaScript is actually the behavior of the website, and it used for the interactivity functionality, and it allows for the user to interact with the browser. And the PHP is my main technology as well, and is a server side that is scripting language that then allows you to write a normal HTML web page, and then embed programming code that you need to produce the dynamic content. So for the database, I use the cloud type base, which is free, and you can access through the cloud platform. And this is my the database server, which PHP myadmin, and this is the features which I can import data, export data, and search. They got a lot of features as well. For the web server, I use Apache, which is the main function is the web file, the firewalls, and HTTPS. This is my main feature of the wiki, which is can create a page. This is my design, and this edit a page. And this is the link between the page recent. You can see the recent activity, search, and the content. And this is the user group rights, that with the underline is the main difference compared to the users. This is the admin. So for example, admin can edit and remove the users as well. So this is my web interface. Is the design here, and this is my reference. So thank you for listening. Thank you for your patience. See ya in the next video.